Your developers shouldn't be deciding what to build. Your product owner shouldn't be managing how the team works. Most professionals get these roles backwards, and it's killing their productivity. And in this video, I will show you exactly the correct responsibilities for each role and how they should actually work together in the Scrum framework. Did you know that over 60% of Scrum teams have members playing the wrong roles? That's not just a random statistic. It's the number one reason projects get delayed. When team members step outside their designated responsibilities, the whole system breaks down. Let's break down these three core roles so you understand exactly who should be doing what on your team. First, the product owner decides what to build based on customer value and business needs. Think of them as the customer's voice on the team. Their daily work involves managing the product backlog, prioritizing items according to business value, and making clear decisions about product features. They say no to requests that don't align with customer value and maintain the product vision. Next, the Scrum Master focuses on how the team works together. They are not a product manager, they are a coach and facilitator. The Scrum Master removes obstacles that slow down the team, facilitates all Scrum meetings, and helps everyone follow Scrum practices correctly. They protect the team from outside distractions and promote continuous improvement. Finally, the developers determines how to build the product. They are self-organizing and cross-functional, with all the skills needed to deliver working increments of the product. They collaborate daily, writing code, design interfaces, tests, and share knowledge, all without waiting for detailed instruction from others. When these boundaries are clear, teams work smoothly, but when they blur, like when the product owner starts dictating solutions instead of requirements, the process fails. So how do these three roles work together without creating bottlenecks? Let's explore their interactions next. The magic of Scrum happens in the spaces between roles. Think of these interactions like the gear of a well-oiled machine. When they work together properly, everything runs smoothly. Each role pair needs specific communication patterns. The product owner and Scrum Master form an accountability partnership that keeps the project focused on value. They meet regularly to discuss priorities and make sure the team is working on what matters most to customers. This partnership prevents the common problem of teams building features nobody wants. The Scrum Master and developers create a support system. The Scrum Master removes obstacles without telling the team how to solve technical problems. They ask questions like, "What's slowing you down?" and "How can I help?" rather than giving solutions. Between the product owner and developers, there's a direct line of communication about requirements. The product owner explains what needs to be built and why, but never dictates how it should be built. This prevents misunderstandings while respecting the team's technical expertise. During the daily Scrum, each role plays a specific part. The developers discusses progress and plans while the Scrum Master ensures the meetings stay focused. The product owner listens but doesn't control the conversation. In sprint planning and review meetings, clear role responsibilities prevent scope creep and maintain velocity. Teams that respect these boundaries while maintaining open communication experience up to 40% fewer delays. When these instructions work correctly, they create a cycle of clarity, efficiency, and team satisfaction that builds on itself with each sprint. The top-performing Scrum teams share something unexpected. They regularly check and adjust their roles using a simple framework. Even teams with years of experience can drift into role confusion, especially when deadlines get tight or priorities shift. Without a clear plan to correct these role problems, teams keep making the same mistakes. That's why I recommend a 3-step approach that consistently deliver results. Step 1 is a role clarity audit. This team assessment helps you identify where boundaries are being crossed. You will spot when product owners are over-specifying solutions instead of focusing on requirements. You will notice when Scrum Masters have become administrative assistants rather than coaches who remove obstacles. And you will see if your developer are waiting for instructions instead of self-organizing. Step 2 is a role reset workshop. This meeting realigns everyone's responsibility. Team members discuss specific examples of role confusion from recent sprints and create clear agreements about who does what going forward. Step 3 involves continuous role reinforcement through daily practices. This means include brief role check-ins during retrospectives or simple reminders during stand-ups about who owns which decisions. Teams that implement this 3-step correction plan see a huge improvement in sprint completion rates. Team satisfaction also increases significantly as people gain clarity about their responsibility. The key is consistency. When everyone understands their role boundaries, they make better decisions faster. The product owner defines what needs to be built. The developers decide how to build it, and the Scrum Master helps everyone work together effectively. The right Scrum roles create a system where decisions happen at the right level by the right people. This structure isn't just about titles, it's about effectiveness. Start with one role at a time on your team. Identify which position has the most confusion or overlap, address that first, then move to the next most ambiguous role. This focus on approach prevents teams from feeling overwhelmed by changing everything at once. When team members understanding their responsibilities and how they interact with others, it reduces misunderstandings and streamline workflows. Clear roles means fewer delays and happier teams. It's the simplest Scrum fix with the biggest impact on your results.